Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. As you guys are seeing by the title, I do have another ColourPop collection for you guys. And this one here is called the Animal Crossing collection. There's a lot of cute stuff that are a part of this collection. I'm just really excited to share with you guys how I came about this look. I'm going to take you guys through the entire collection and also do a little step-by-step tutorial on how I achieved this really pretty look. So if you guys are interested and you guys want to see more ColourPop collections, then make sure that you guys do subscribe down below, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future tutorials and reviews. And let's go ahead and begin with this video.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Alrighty, so I'm going to show you guys all of the little tiny palettes. It comes, I believe it's sold like this. I think so, because, is it in it? Yeah. So it comes inside of a little package like this with all these little mini palettes. As you guys can see here, really cute. I love how compact they are. They're easy. They're just perfect to just slip into your purse when you're in a hurry to get to work or to class. Maybe your guys' schools are open, I don't know, but we're starting to open up here in California. Let me know how everything is going with this whole pandemic where you guys live. I'd really like to know. Here we're starting to slowly open up, but yeah, my daughter's actually starting school on Tuesday. I'm really excited for her. She's so excited to go back to school. But anyway, we have this little mint palette you guys can see here. It's really cute, but I don't know, like, how often am I going to be wearing mint? That's the real question. We do have a pressed glitter here. We have a shimmer shadow, and then we have a matte with some sparkle in it, and then we just have that plain matte right there. I'm going to show you guys swatches from what I can find on the ColourPop website, because I'm not going to be swatching them in today's video, only because I want to be able to gift these palettes to some of you guys, because I'm honestly not going to wear them if I swatch them. I'm really just going to let the eyeshadow palettes sit in my makeup drawer and expire. I just don't want to waste makeup, and I'm always getting ColourPop's newest launches, so I'm always getting new makeup, and I'm only one person. I can't use them all. Here is another eyeshadow palette. This one here is called 5 Star Island. What was the other one called? The other one was called Nook Ink. And this one is 5 Star Island. This is the pink palette, but I've done a couple pink looks here on my channel in the previous 2 videos, so I kind of want to stay away from pink today. But it is a really cute palette. As you guys can see here, we have this beautiful, beautiful, actually that's a pressed glitter. Yeah, so this is a pressed glitter here. This is another matte with shimmer eyeshadow. This is a flat matte color. This is like a yellow shimmer eyeshadow. So that's what that's looking like there. This other mini eyeshadow palette is called What a Hoot. And this one looks like this here. This is definitely an eyeshadow palette that I would be using. This is compact, easy to carry in your purse if you're running late to work or wherever you're going. Perfect size. And I think these are really cute eyeshadow palettes. If I didn't have the makeup collection that I do have, I'd probably keep them all. But I do have an eyeshadow palette that already has this. Basically, I'd only be using 3 eyeshadows from this palette because I'm very sensitive to glitter near my eyes, so I wouldn't be getting a lot of use from this pressed glitter here. So again, I'm going to be putting this away for a giveaway, and for today's look, I'm going to be using this teeny tiny palette. This one is the color La Belle of the Ball. And this one has another 4 shades. This one is also a pressed glitter, and this is the one that I'm just really drawn to, and that is the reason I'm going to be using this palette. We have a matte purple, and then we have a very lilac, pretty shimmery matte color. So let's go ahead and put this to action. Let me remove the little thing, and it has a cute little mirror right there. So I'm going to be starting off by using the Urban Decay, what is this called? Eyeshadow potion, primer potion. I'm going to apply this all over my eyes. Hopefully we get a lot of good pigment from this tiny little palette. Then I'm going to go in with a little sponge and distribute the primer all throughout my eyelid like so. And I'm gonna use the color Taylor's Ticket, which is the shimmery matte color. So just applying it all over the eyelid, well, the crease area, working my way up, blending the edges as I go. It's blending out really, really nice. As you guys can see, I just have glitter going everywhere, but it's okay. We're not wearing any face makeup, so we are just fine. Now I'm going to move into a different brush, and this one is a Sigma E27 brush. It's kind of like a packing fluffy brush, and I'm going to take Serene Sable, which is the dark purple, and with this color I'm just going to begin to, oh shoot, that has a lot of kickback, look at that. Just with a little bit of dipping in there, you get a lot of kickback. So I'm going to just go ahead and begin to pack this color into the crease area like so. I always mention this, and probably every YouTuber that you guys watch that does makeup tutorials will mention that purple is definitely a tricky color to work with, and that is why I did not start off with the darkest shade as I usually do, because it just becomes very patchy. I don't know about this formula here in specific, but usually when I do play around with purples, I get a lot of patchiness. So that's why I decided to go in with a lighter color first, and now I'm going to begin to work the edges with this E27 brush from Sigma. I'm going to kind of go back in with the other brush just to make sure everything is blending really nice. I'm getting patchiness again right in there, so I'm going to go back over it with the purple a little bit more. Ugh! A lot of kickback. Anyway, I'm going to be going into this color right here now. What is it called? It's called Custom Design. And I'm going to be using this Madison Beer Morphe brush. I received it from the Madison Beer collection. If you guys missed out on that review, I'm going to go ahead and link it up above so you guys can check it out. I really did like that collection. So it just consists of a lot of like neutral eyeshadow colors, and it's a pretty big eyeshadow palette with a lot of different shades. If you're looking for like an everyday type of palette, I think that Madison Beer palette is so good, and you can also go from day to night looks, and then it has a really cute set of brushes with that collection. I'm going to go ahead and just spray the brush, and we're going to begin to do kind of like a halo eye. I haven't done that in a while. Usually I'll create a crease with the with like a concealer, but I'm gonna do something, just go in there and not put a lot of work, you know, easy to follow along halo eye. I kind of need to wet the brush a little bit more. I'm gonna kind of go in with my finger because that usually works the best. And I'm definitely seeing that color a lot better with my finger. So just applying it to the center of the eye like so. I'm gonna come back in with my Sigma E27 brush, and I'm going to go back into the color purple and just start to apply it to the edges of the eye, pack it, and then blend. You guys can see all this freaking fallout, girl. Okay, so I'm going to come back in with a makeup wipe because this is just getting really messy. Probably going to regret this. I'm going to try to apply some glitter. This is the Able Sisters glitter, and I'm just taking my ring finger and just dabbing it on, just for a little bit extra sparkle in there. Okay, I'm kind of liking that better with the glitter at the center. It just stands out a little bit more. And now I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps over to this eye. I'm going to apply some mascara, some lashes, and probably the rest of my face, come back and share more of the products with you guys. And now let's go ahead and move forward with some other products that are a part of this Animal Crossing collection. We have two blushes. Sorry, I was putting hand lotion because my hands just get really dry from always washing them. But we have two blushes. This one here is called Flower Tender, and it's like a peachy color. This is the one that I'm just aiming towards this one the most. This next one is called Flower Power, and this is more of a pinky blush, and I'm more of a peachy type of girl for blush. So this is the one I'm gonna be playing around with today, and let's just go ahead and put it on. I already have bronzers, so we're just gonna get in there, and I just like applying it right to the apples of my cheeks and just kind of moving my way up. This is really pigmented, and I really like this color with my skin tone. Today I'm using the Anastasia foundation, and it's actually a little bit too dark for me. This was really good for me during the summer, but it's definitely not my color since I have not been out very much this past year. So yeah, it might look a little bit dark on me. But I really like this blush. Okay. By the way, my foundation that I'm using right now is the 365C from Anastasia. And again, it's a little dark, so I gotta get more of my shade because I actually really like that foundation. Okay, so moving along to... Oh, I forgot to show you guys. We also have a Super Shock shadow. This one is called Balloon Pop, except this one came broken, unfortunately. So I can't really show you it because it's just gonna get too messy. Hopefully there's a picture online that I can just insert right here over on the screen. But this is what the packaging here looks like. Cute. I wonder if they have different colors. I'll look online. And they also sent me the Glitterly Obsessed Glitter Gel, and this one is called Billionaire. Not billionaire, billionaire. This is a really pretty gold. I just don't see myself getting a lot of use out of glitters because my skin just gets irritated for some reason. And yeah, hopefully my eyes are okay because I do have some glitter on my eyes right now. Let's move it along to these cute Just a Tint Mini Duos. They're tints for your lips. So we have all of these here. This one is called Fruit Basket. And I'm going to probably be inserting some pictures so that you guys can take a look on their website. And then we also have Pick of a Bunch, which comes in a little green packaging. The actual components are all the same color. They're green. And they look like this. And they have the colors at the bottom. You can see what colors they are. This one's called Coconut Juice. This bottom one is called Incomparable. We also have this one here from the Fruit Basket. Like I mentioned, I just didn't take them out. We have the color Juicy Apple, and we have the color Cherry. I kind of want to use Cherry, I think. I love lip tints, so I might just be keeping all of these. We have this one here that's called Fruit Roots. And with this color, this one here is called Orange Cutie, and then the bottom one is called Peach Surprise. I kind of want to use Peach Surprise. I think I'm going to be using Peach Surprise today. Oh, I lost my earring. Hold on. Okay, so again, I have Peach Surprise right here, and I'm going to be applying this on. It tastes like peach. I'm kind of not, I'm not really fond of this color on my lips right now. Maybe if I had lip liner, but I'm not feeling this color. Let me try the color Orange Cutie. Orange Cutie is a part of this along with the one I just tried. So that in case you guys want to get these two, I'm going to swatch both of them for you because I'm not really feeling this color. Maybe you guys like it, but I just... keep this color with this look. Okay guys, so that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial using this Animal Crossing collection. I didn't get to play around with everything. I already explained why, but I'm really happy that I chose this palette because I just really like this look. And although I kind of went for an evening look, you can definitely do a daytime look using this palette, just using this color, and it'll be very subtle. Or you can just use this and this in the center and it just be like glittery daytime type of look. But I wanted to, you know, take it up a notch by doing an evening night look. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Let me know if you guys will be picking anything of this up down below in the comments. I will be linking this collection down below, so don't forget to check that out. I'm really happy that we're at the end of the video now because my eye right here is starting to water. It's getting irritated because of the glitter. I'm telling you, I love glitter so much. I just wish I could wear it. Like, I really do. I want to do all these beautiful glittery eye looks, but I can't. It's so sad. I appreciate you clicking on today's video and hope you subscribe on your way out if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!